Are you wondering how to create a digital product using AI? Creating a digital product that sells on Instagram has never been easier thanks to the power of AI. In my last video, I shared with you a step-by-step process to create, launch, and market a digital product that brings in consistent income. In today's video, we're gonna dive even deeper into step number 1, creating your digital product using AI tools. Hey there, I'm Juan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share my best tips, tricks, and strategies to help you grow and monetize your personal brand on social media and beyond, all sparkled with a little bit of AI. And with this being said, let's get started. So the first step would be to gather audience feedback. You probably already have an audience on Instagram, Facebook, email, so why not use them to guide your digital product creation, right? On Instagram, I highly suggest you do story polls. You can also run Q&A sessions and stories or even live. But most importantly, spending time in the DMs. You know how important DMs are, not only for sales, but for market research. Ask your audience what are they struggling the most with at the minute. What is their current biggest goal or desire? What things have they tried so far that haven't worked? And then you can use all these insights to start developing a market fit idea. You can also go beyond your audience and analyze at current market trends. And for this, you can use tools like Google Trends or social listening platforms. And here's a quick hack for you. You can actually go into Google and type in one of the most common questions you get about your niche. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see another section called People Also Ask. These are basically questions that are related to the main question that people are currently asking on Google. This is gonna be super helpful when it comes to outlining your digital product. Another way to brainstorm ideas and continue your market research is through competitive analysis. Take a look at what other creators or entrepreneurs in your field are doing. Are they only offering services? Do they also have a product suite? This is gonna help you understand where you stand, what's missing in the market, and also how to stand out with a new product. If you wanna go one step further, you can actually use Google Gemini to analyze your competitors and find out what are their pros and cons, and based on this, create a product that addresses these insights. And last but not least, take a look at your own content performance. Look at content that you've shared over the last years and content that has gotten a high number of saves, high number of shares. These are valuable pieces of content. Take a look at what did you share here. Was it a strategy, a step-by-step? Was it a framework? Was it a specific topic that resonated with your audience the most? And can you expand on these to create your product? Once you have a list of potential product ideas, the next step is to define the problem that your digital product will solve. Do not skip this step. It is crucial as it ensures that your product is not only relevant, but also valuable to your audience. And also make sure to define a specific outcome that your product will help your audience to achieve. And for this, you can start by identifying the pain point. You probably already know what the biggest pain points for your audience are. And if you've done the audience research previously, you probably have a list of pain point ideas that you can use for your digital product. Remember that you can dive even deeper into your audience insights by using ChatGPT. I actually have an entire video where I teach you how to do this, so I'm linking it above. You can go watch it after you finish watching this video, but basically you're gonna get into the mind of your customer avatars, and based on this, you can get super targeted ideas for your next digital product. And then don't forget to define a specific outcome. Be very clear on this as well. What specific result do you want your audience to achieve after buying this product? Whether it is to improve their skills, save time, make more money, create better content, you need to be very specific on what the outcome is, because at the end of the day, you are selling a transformation, not a product. The next step is to create your digital product. So with a clear understanding of your audience's needs, all the insights that you gathered from your brainstorming and research, it's time to design your digital product. And we're gonna break this into 4 easy steps. Step number 1 is to create the outline for your digital product. Whether you're creating a mini course, an ebook, or a template, your product has to have a very clear structure that it's easier for you to create and easier for your audience to consume. There are actually plenty of tools that can help you outline your digital product, which I'm gonna be sharing with you in a minute. Once you've outlined your digital product, it's time to create the content. Again, if you're doing a mini course, make sure to write down the scripts for each lesson, the content that will go in the modules. If you're creating an ebook, start writing each chapter and other sections. Tools like ChatGPT can help you write the text, generate ideas, and even write the scripts for the videos if you're doing a video course. The third step is the visual design. Whether you're creating a template, an ebook, or a mini course, you need visual assets to make your product more engaging, but also for marketing purposes. You can easily create assets using tools like Adobe Express or Canva. They both have AI tools within their system that can help you create images, ebooks, and other material pretty fast. And then step number 4 would be to record videos in case you're doing a video course or your digital product includes videos. And for this, I would suggest you create a faceless video to make it easier for you and also for your audience to consume. This is basically you talking through slides or any other visual support that you have in your course. I actually use a tool called Loom, which allows you to screen record any sort of material, slides, docs, etc. while you talk through it. It makes it super easy to create video courses without showing your face. I'm gonna be sharing a link in the description so that you can try out Loom. And they also have an incredible AI tool that will write descriptions, chapters, and everything for your video. Now it's time to test the product. Before launching, and if this is your first time creating a digital product, it would be great that you test the product to make sure that it meets your audience's needs and expectations. And to test your product, you're gonna follow these 3 steps. First, you're gonna do a beta test round. This means gathering a group of followers or past customers, giving them your product for free or for a very reduced price in exchange of their feedback. Make sure that the group of people that you gather is actually your target audience, people that would buy your product, so that the insights that you get are actually relevant. Then you're gonna ask them for their feedback. Ask what they liked, what they think could be improved, and any other issues they might have encountered. For this, you can use surveys, you can hop on calls with them and interview them, or you can do it in the DMs. And once you've gathered the feedback, you're gonna refine the product and make any necessary changes or adjustments. This might involve tweaking the content, redesigning certain elements, or adding new features based on user suggestion. Now let's talk about AI tools that will help you create your digital products.
So the first tool that I wanted to share with you is The Leap. The Leap is an all-in-one tool that allows you to not only to create, but also sell your digital products. They have also an email marketing tool. It's a very, very complete tool. And the best part is that it is completely free. I'm sharing with you a link in the description so that you can sign up for free. But right now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a digital product. So once you're in the main dashboard, you're going to go to products. And as you can see, I have multiple products here, and you're going to go to add product. And they give you the option of creating guides, challenges, tutorials, mini courses, and so on. So we're going to go with guides. And as you can see, you can either generate with AI or build from templates. So we're going to generate with AI. And as you can see, it will ask you a quick question. What does your audience see you an expert on? So in my case, I help creators and entrepreneurs grow and monetize on social media using AI. So you go to next, and then it gives you several options. My guide to using AI to boost engagement in social media, my guide to monetizing your social media content with AI, my guide to creating viral content with the help of AI. So I'm gonna go with the second option. You can ask for more if you're not satisfied with what you get. And it will create a draft for you. All right, so it even gives you images, titles. So this is the guide, and it even writes the copy for you. Of course, I would make a few changes. It gives you a detailed outline for sections. So section 1, it suggests what to add in on each section. Section 2, and so on. You can also browse on their stock images or add your own. So they make it very, very, very simple. And then you can literally create it, launch it within your Leap store, and start making money from it. The second tool that I want to share with you is called StanStore. StanStore is also an all-in-one tool that allows you host your products, sell them, email marketing. It's very similar to the Leap. The only difference is that Stan is not free and it starts at $29 per month. But they also have an AI tool that allows you to create digital products. So once you're in the main dashboard, you're going to go down to Ask Stanley. Stanley is their AI tool. Just move this over here. And as you can see, it already has some prompts for you. So this one, for example, create a detailed 10-step guide to get started as a content creator on TikTok. We're going to use this prompt just to show you how it works. And again, it creates the content for you. It doesn't create the actual product like the Leap does, but it creates the content, and then you can easily put this into a PDF on Canva or Adobe Express. It's also very detailed, so it's going to help you save a lot of time. Scroll all the way down, and then you can continue creating or updating the product with the chat over here. Tool to help you create digital products is obviously ChatGPT. You can use power prompts that are very detailed and specific, and you can actually create incredible digital products, but you can also use their pre-built GPTs. So for this, you're going to go to Explore GPTs and you will type in digital product, and then there's multiple options. I would suggest you use the one that has highest number of chats. So actually I would give it a shot with this one. It's a digital product coach for beginners. Assist beginners in creating and marketing digital products effectively. To start, ask your question or click I need help just starting the convo. So you can start the chat and you can either I need help, or you can start by saying I am looking to create my first digital product. It is a guide for content creators to monetize on Instagram. And it's going to give you a step-by-step process for you to actually start building this digital product. I'm obviously not going to go through everything, but I just wanted to show you the different options and how easy it can be to use ChatGPT as well. But as you can see, we have idea development, niche research and target audience identification, content creation, designing and formatting, technical implementation, testing and feedback, marketing on launch, and some marketing tips, examples to inspire you. And then you can continue the conversation. I love, by the way, that the steps that it's outlining here are the same steps that I'm sharing with you in my previous video and also in this video. So gotta be doing something right? And this is the fourth tool that I wanted to share with you. This one is specifically for mini courses, but honestly, it's one of the best tools that I've found in the market. It is not free, but it does allow you to create your first course outline for free. As you can see, I created one just to test. So you can go to create a course and you can start from scratch or use their AI course creator. And then you have to feed them with context, as always with AI. So your profession, your target audience, a detailed description of what you want your course to be. So let's give it a shot. I still have credits left, so awesome. So I am an Instagram marketer, small business owners, entrepreneurs, and content creators. So my audience is looking to find easy ways of growing and monetizing their social media presence using the power of AI. So let's generate a title. The future of social marketing, integrating AI into your business strategy. Let's go for this one. I'm not a fan, but just to show you how it works. And then you're gonna go to generate outline. It's gonna take some time, but what it creates, it's very, very comprehensive. So I'm gonna pause this video and then I'll come back once it's completed oh, it did it pretty fast. Awesome. So it creates the outline. So introduction, module 1, module 2, and so on. You can obviously update all this. You can also add AI generated images, but I don't have credits for this. But with your first outline, which is free, you can actually add that. So you're going to generate mini course. This is the part where it takes time. So I'm pausing this 1 minute. So the course is done. So we're going to go to edit mini course. And let's click on this one. And then I'll show you the previous one I created, which does use AI generated images. So as you can see, it is very, very detailed and comprehensive. So if I'm going to move this over here. If you scroll down to this module, for example, and then to this lesson, again, you have all the copy ready for your mini course. All you gotta do is record the modules and you're ready. Now I want to show you the previous one that I tested with AI generated images. All of these images were generated by AI. And that's pretty much it. Great tool, especially if you're thinking about creating a mini course. It's gonna help you save so much time. All you need to do is have a launch strategy ready and then you're ready to go.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed those AI tools and that you're ready to start using any of those to create your next digital product. And to wrap this up, you've seen how easy it can be to create a digital product with the power of AI. And it is as simple as brainstorming ideas, doing some audience research, creating your product, testing it, and of course, launching it. Now, before I go, I want to announce something really exciting. If you're ready to take the next step on your digital product journey, the waitlist for my upcoming course, the Launch AI Accelerator, is officially open. This course is dropping at the end of July, and it will teach you how to use AI to eliminate the stress and overwhelm from creating, launching, and marketing a digital product that makes you sales on autopilot. People on the waitlist will have early bird access, massive discounts, and other surprises. So if I were you, I would sign up for this waitlist and I'd be checking out my emails consistently to make sure I don't miss on this opportunity. Now, with this being said, if you learned something new, don't forget to give those thumbs up, share this video with a friend that might be wondering how to create a digital product with AI. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I share weekly videos on how to grow and monetize on social media, all with AI. See ya!